All right, doing a little bit of electrical troubleshooting today, and I need to remove this battery, but the way they've got this battery, it has no handle on it. I can't get it this way because it's too close to the side of the car, and I can't get in here this way because of the fuse box. So a real easy way to remove this battery without scraping up your fingers is this simple OEMTools battery clamp remover. It's adjustable for different size batteries. You can use this for accessory batteries, an ATV battery, motorcycle battery, whatever. All we're gonna do is just set it right there and pick up the battery. That simple.
Oh, that's cool.
That's all there is to it. It is cool. All right. That's the OEMTools battery carrier, total knuckle saver. Hope you enjoyed this.